nifty little coilovers, come with some spanner wrenches. So right here, these two are bound up. So put that in on one side, this on the other side, turn it that way. I'll break it loose, which I already had done. It's just a jam nut, so we'll just move that down for right now so it's out of our way. And the bottom part of this, it's about 3 inches. So we're gonna unscrew this tube and take this up to 4 right there. So we left this tight down here and broke the jam nut loose. Started cranking this with our spanner wrench. Little by little, measured out. We got 1/2 inch between here and there. So that way we had a common spot. So now we'll jam this on there. We'll grab our other wrench, wherever I sat it, right here. So now that's tight together. We can break this loose again. And now we should be able to turn on here. It should turn the tube. So now we're turning our tube to raise it down here. And then we're gonna go up 1 inch with this. So we'll just put our tape measure in there till we get up to 4. Since this part's hollow. And then we'll jam this back up. We cranked on here, just turn the tube little by little. Now we're up. We've got our tape measure in there. We're at our 4 inch. That was the mark we wanted. So that means the bottom of our tube is right there. Should be enough to hold. So now we'll spin that back down. It's got that funky little washer. We'll jam this into place so it won't vibrate and turn on us. Snug it up a little. Now we're done. We end up raising this side 1.5 inches. We moved it up here at 1/2 inch and down here 1 inch.
That's one of the nice thing about these Feal coilovers is that they provide a lot more adjustability than some of the other coilovers, so you can adjust the body and stuff to be able to get the ride height you want. With the drop spindles we were running and these coilovers, the thing was just slammed and it wasn't practical at all, so we had to raise her up about 1.5 inches. I think it'll be a lot easier because, as you can see, I don't know if you can kind of get it on film, but we got it high centered just trying to get it out of the dang garage. The exhaust was hanging up on this concrete pad here, so got to get it raised up, but I think it'll be quite a bit better now.